In this video, I'm going to answer a viewer's question regarding the Onn.USB microphone video that I did a while ago. The person asked, can they use the USB microphone with their iPhone? And the answer is yes. For this, you will need an OTG adapter like this one. Similar, not exactly like this, but an OTG adapter. And I have the microphone connected to a USB hub because this microphone needs power, and even though you can use it without it, you may not get clear audio with just a USB adapter. So that's why I connected it to a hub. So this is a USB hub with an adapter that goes into the outlet, and all I did was connect the microphone to the hub. So right here, I plug it to the hub, and now this end here, I'm going to connect the USB adapter to it. And then this end, I'm going to connect it to my phone. So the audio that you're hearing right now is coming straight from my iPhone. But now we're going to see the difference once I plug it in, okay? So let's plug it in. Okay, now I have the microphone connected. I see the blue light on. So the audio that you hear right now is straight from the Onn.USB microphone. So to answer your question, yes, it works on your iPhone. All you need to do is get an OTG adapter and plug it into your phone. Now, depending on the OTG, as I mentioned, it might need power to, it might need electricity to power up the microphone. So keep that in mind. 1, 2, 3 testing, 1, 2, 3 testing. Now here's a test without the USB hub. I'm connecting the USB microphone to the OTG adapter right here. I'm going to plug it into my phone. And now I see the blue light on, but we're going to test the audio to hear how it sounds. 1, 2, 3 testing, 1, 2, 3 testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 testing, testing, 1, 2, 3 testing. Well, as you heard, just connecting the OTG adapter to the microphone did not produce high quality audio. So for this, I would recommend connecting the OTG adapter to a USB hub that is connected to an electrical outlet so it can produce high quality audio. So keep that in mind, and also depends on the type of OTG adapter that you will pick. So I'm not going to recommend any in particular. Just go out there, do your research, and you buy according to whatever fits your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and be well.